Steffi D. Welcome back to Steffi D Creates. We all know we need to be drinking more water throughout the day, so today we're going to be making these super cute mermaid glitter tumblers that you can fill with water and keep with you throughout the day to make sure that you stay hydrated. I am so excited to make these because they're glitter and Mod Podge, my favorites. You can make them in any colors that you want. You can do them in pinks, you can put sayings on them, whatever you want. There's so much creative freedom. As always, full instructions are on my blog, steffidcreates.com, and I will have links to all the products that I used in this project in the comments below. So come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need. A clear plastic tumbler, 2 different colors of glitter, a darker color and a lighter color, Mod Podge, a couple foam brushes, wax paper, and a clear cup to mix your glitter. Glitter always gets really messy, so I'm gonna start by putting a piece of wax paper down to catch all of our loose glitter so we can save it and use it for future projects. Then we're gonna take our glitters, our dark color and our light color. I'm using 2 different shades of blue, and we're actually gonna mix a little bit of the 2 of them together to get our third in-between color. Pour a little bit of your darker color in. You don't need too much, just a little bit. And then take your lighter color and pour a little bit in. I use a little bit more of my lighter color than my darker color, so it has a better blending effect. And give it a good mix. Mermaid colors! Remove the top from your glitter tumbler and set it aside, and we are going to put Mod Podge all over the outside of the tumbler. Take your Mod Podge and your brush and give it a nice, good layer. You want to go all the way up to the rim on the top. Make sure that your Mod Podge layer is an even layer. You don't want to have any bumps in it. We're going to start with our darker color at the bottom of the tumbler. You're going to pour a nice thick layer at the bottom and only pour up to about 1/3 of the tumbler because we're going to use the other 2 colors to pour on the rest. As you move up, make sure that your pouring gets a little bit lighter so you can just tap the bottle. Mod Podge does dry fast, so make sure you're moving at a pretty good pace. Don't want to do it in a straight line, you want it to be uneven. Give it a good tap. Just set this aside, pull out another piece of wax paper, take the color that we mixed of the light and the dark and pour it along the middle of the tumbler. And again, you don't want your line to be straight, you want to have an uneven pattern. Once you've finished your second color, give it a good tap again, set that aside and pull out a 3rd piece of wax paper to do your top color. Take your lightest color and go all the way up to the top. Glitter will only stick to where there's Mod Podge. Once you finish your 3rd color, give it a good tap again and let this layer dry for 15 to 30 minutes. While it's drying, let's pour our glitter back into our glitter bottles. Take your wax paper and your glitter bottle, and you're just gonna lift it up and pour it back into your bottle. No glitter wasted. For your mixed color, pour it back into your cup because we're gonna be using it again. I like my glitter to be a nice thick coat, so I'm actually going to do a 2nd layer of glitter. So we're gonna need to make sure that we have enough of the mixed color. If you think you have enough, go ahead and use it. If not, mix together another batch of the lighter and darker glitters. Once your tumbler has dried, we're going to do another layer of Mod Podge over the entire thing just to make sure we didn't miss any spots and to make that glitter really vibrant. If you want to pour your Mod Podge into another cup to make sure that the rest of it doesn't get glitter in it, you can do that too. Take your Mod Podge and go over your entire tumbler with it. Go over it and smooth out any lines that you might have. Once it's fully coated, we're going to repeat with the glitter. I'm going to start with the lightest color this time at the top. Give it a good coat and start with your next color. Once you finish your 2nd color and your 3rd color. Once you finish your 3rd color, give it another good tap and let this sit for another 15 to 30 minutes. After you've let your tumbler sit and the top layer is dry, we're going to seal it so that the glitter doesn't come off every time you pick it up. How are we going to do that? 1 more layer of Mod Podge. So I would get a fresh brush this time, dip it into your Mod Podge, and we're going to do an entire layer all over it, and that will seal it so that it is ready to go. Once you let the top layer of Mod Podge dry, that's it. You're done. Fill it with your favorite drinks, fill it with water, whatever makes you happy. You now have your own mermaid tumbler. Just make sure you give it a wash on the inside first. If you want to customize them a little bit more, you can add acrylic sayings on them like "Drink Up Buttercup" or "Sip Sip Hooray." Totally up to you. The possibilities are endless. I hope you guys enjoyed today's project. I had a lot of fun making it. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at SteffiDCreates. Full instructions for this project are on my blog, SteffiDCreates.com. And don't forget to keep sending me pictures of things that you're making. You guys are incredible and making fantastic things. I love seeing it. If you have suggestions for projects you want to see, leave it in the comments below. Maybe I'll make it. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.